This is Djaj Mahshi, stuffed chicken from the Middle East. Hey folks, I'm Azlin Blow from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian recipes.com. Djaj Mahshi. Djaj is chicken and Mahshi is stuffed. So in this case, here we're stuffing our chicken with a combination of rice and minced meat. The meat can be lamb, the meat can be beef. It's completely up to you. Or you can skip the meat altogether and just stuff it with some rice. We make enough of that stuffing to serve our chicken with. For the full written recipe, head on over to my blog linsfood.com where the recipe is at. In the meantime, let's get cooking. So how was that? Easy, right? Once your chicken is done, cover it with foil and a tea towel and leave it to rest for a good 30 to 45 minutes before you dish up. And this is how we're going to dish it up. Once we're done with resting the bird, all you do is remember the stuffing that we had earlier. Heat it up, make sure it's hot, and then spoon it onto your serving platter, onto your serving plate or tray, whatever you serve your stuffed chicken on. And then we're going to get our chicken. Lift your chicken up and place it over your flavored rice that formed the stuffing. And then you're bound to have a little liquid in your pan. Scoop it up and drizzle it over the chicken. Remember these vegetables that we dumped in earlier? Really, really well done vegetables. Scatter them over your rice or scoop them up and serve them in a separate dish. So I threw in some an onion, quartered onion, some carrots, carrot batons, carrot sticks. You can slice them up round, it doesn't really matter. And because it's Christmas time, while I'm making this video, some Brussels sprouts. If you don't want your vegetables overdone, reserve them until, add them 30 minutes before the end of cooking time when you take off that foil. There we go. And then we're just going to pour that whatever liquid you've got all over the vegetables and the chicken. And then, do you remember the fruit and nut that we toasted earlier? Scatter those along as well. So we've got our raisins and sultanas here, left over from our Christmas pudding, from making our Christmas pudding last month. And then we've got barberries, so zereshk, Persian ingredient, which will add a touch of deep red ruby bling to it. If you want more bling, add some pomegranate seeds. And then finally our pine nuts and our almonds. That's it. So this is how you serve it. What do you serve it with? You know, Middle Eastern rice dishes or rice-based dishes or chicken and rice dishes are usually served very, very simply. All you want is a pot of yogurt. Side yogurt as it is, or add a little bit of cucumber pieces to it. Spice it up with a little bit of za'atar or sumac if you want. But all you need is a little bit of yogurt and a simply made, simply chopped up side salad. Say chopped up cucumbers, tomatoes, some spring onions, and that's it. That's all you need. This dish with a side of yogurt and a side salad. That's it. Super simple, and it's really, really perfect for all your festive occasions, all your celebrations, and most definitely perfect for Christmas. It's 8 days before Christmas today at the time of recording this video. So it'll make a great centerpiece with the various colors and the stuffing. So festive. I'll make it on a Sunday because, as you saw in the recipe, it's so easily done. There you go. Djaj Mahshi, stuffed chicken, Middle Eastern style. I shall see you guys real soon.